Are you going fire or no? Hey, you see, what's up? I cannot fire now. I am going fire now. I am quitting for the UC. That's it. You're grounded. Go to your room right now. Alright, class. We're going to the UC. UC. Good job, Miss One. Go to UC. Now you can see. Okay, class. What's the other one? I go to the call day. Sarah, what's your one? CC3? It's token correct. You almost in the setting. You almost in here. On scanning. And almost in the token standing. Classic Caillou. Oh my god. Caillou, what's you want? CC is 7. It's token correct. We'll see. You want it. I can believe it's token correct. Oh, tell you. How dare you standing? That's it. You are grounded. Go to your room right now.